In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a project in BigQuery. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just starting out with Google Cloud, this tutorial will help you set up your project with confidence. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Google Cloud console. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for the Google Cloud console. Log in with your Google account credentials if prompted. This is your main hub for managing all of your Google Cloud services, and it's where we'll be setting up our BigQuery project today. Once you're in the Google Cloud console, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here, you'll see a drop-down labeled Project. This is where you can manage and switch between your different projects. Click on this project drop-down. If you're new to Google Cloud, you might only see a few options here, or possibly none at all, which is perfectly fine. Now, in the top right corner of the pop-up that appears, you'll find the option to create a new project. Click on New Project. This action will lead you to a new page where you can configure the details of your project. This is an important step, as the choices you make here will help organize and manage your resources effectively. On the configuration page, you'll be prompted to enter a project name. Choose something that makes sense for the work you're going to do. It could be the name of your company, a specific department, or the name of a particular project you're working on. Keep in mind that the project name is for your reference only, so make it meaningful. Next, you'll see a field for the organization. If you're working within a company that uses Google Cloud, you might have an organization name already set up. If not, you can leave this field as No Organization. Below this, there's also a field for the location. The location will typically be set to a default, but it's good to double-check to ensure it aligns with your organizational needs or compliance requirements. After you've filled in these details, review everything to ensure accuracy. Once you're confident everything looks right, it's time to create your project. Find the Create button on the page and click it. This will initiate the creation of your new project. Depending on your internet speed and Google Cloud's current traffic, it might take a few moments for the project to be created. Once it's done, you'll be redirected to your new project's dashboard. Congratulations! You've successfully created a project in BigQuery. Now that you have your project set up, you can begin exploring the powerful data processing and analytical capabilities that BigQuery offers. It's a good practice to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and settings to maximize your productivity. This simple guide has shown you the steps needed to create a project in BigQuery. Remember, having a well-organized project setup is crucial for efficient data management and analysis. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and guides on making the most out of Google Cloud's suite of tools. Thank you for watching, and happy querying.